Why has the President Mnangagwa regime of late intensified its crackdown on gatherings? What are they terrified of? Ashperi mushe Zimbabwe zanapinda mashoko abuda chinogona achibvunza kuti aiwa vachiziva kuti Mnangagwa regime knows it cannot shoot people in front of regional leaders. Aiwa ndo panotebva subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Timira vanyora vachiti a fundraising dinner for new classrooms at Beacon Hill Primary in Plumtree slated for 28th June 2024 was barred by the police under the pretext of security reasons and other reasons that of national interest. Surely, what danger to state security and national interest would a primary school fundraising dinner have posed to Zimbabwe? However, it gets worse. On 16 June 2024, 79 opposing activists were arrested after allegedly being brutally beaten by the police at the private residence of Jameson Timber, where they were commemorating the Day of African Child. Nonetheless, Mnangagwa and his regime somehow believed the people of Zimbabwe to express their displeasure with both the government and SADC itself during the summit in August. He does not want this sort of embarrassment, especially considering how much he has invested in this meeting is his personal moment of glory. Therefore, this obsessive crackdown on anyone who may be construed as planning demonstrations during the SADC summit is designed to prevent any such demonstrations regardless of how peaceful they will be. Tukona panapa vatu vamesvika kuti the regime inotoziva kuti kushuta vanhu during the summit hazvibudi. That's why they are minimizing kuda kuavoid any meetings, any gatherings angaitiwa anenge achisuspect kuti vanhu vangaplana kuda kuita zvavangaita pasummit. Kutudze mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pemashoko ari kuda pananyogwa muhanyaya pina comment section medu. Musangano subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.